Welcome everyone to the April edition of the Highball Advisors Railroad Retirement Newsletter. My name's John McNamara, Highball Advisors, and it's April, right? Spring's coming around the corner, it's nice. It also means tax season, all right? So April 18th, everything's got to be in. Just a little hint for everybody, you can still do Roth conversions, Roth contributions up to the 18th. So if you have a single income up to $129,000, you can go married, file jointly up to $204,000. So that's a great savings right there. Check out my whiteboard this month. Will higher inflation harm railroad retirees? Great one there. Inflation's coming, so we got the tier 1, tier 2. Keep an eye on that. Very, very important stuff. On the mailbag this month is on railroaders concerned. Right, a railroader contacted me about a spouse leaving, right? Very important issue, that spousal annuity. So check out that mailbag, really good information there. And then I did a flow chart on life insurance, right? A lot of people get their life insurance through through work, but is that enough? Is that enough life insurance? Go through this flow chart. Make sure you have all those important things in life covered. You know, taking care of that family, maybe you have an outstanding mortgage. These are all the type of things that life insurance can help out with. So take a look at that flow chart. And then finally, I have an economic chart on geopolitical events, right? We're seeing in the Ukraine. So it's really about how markets really react when geopolitical events coming, right? Is it the end of the world type things? Take a look at that. You know, they'll have the Gulf War in there, World War II, and see how the market has reacted after that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this month's Railroad Retirement Newsletter. Please share it with other railroaders. Spread the word. That's great stuff. You can always reach out to me for a boarding for railroad retirement assessment. Very good, especially as you're heading into retirement. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Click on the notification bell. And until next month, everyone, please stay safe, stay on track, and take care. So long, everybody. Bye.